Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Umaira Saeed, lecturer English Times Institute, and today we are going to discuss the topic report writing. So this lecture is going to be shared between the technical students and the communication skills because the topic is the same. So the ideas will be shared as well. So take the technical writing student, this lecture is the lecture number 5, and for the communication skills this lecture is going to be the lecture number 4. So make it clear for you. And now what is report? The agenda of the today's session is that today we discuss report writing, what is the actually report is, what are the formal and informal reports, what are the main elements of the formal report writings and the informal report writing, and what are the main topics on which the business and the market report can be written, why the market report is different from the business report. So this is the shortest agenda. Hope you will pick out your pencil and the papers to note down the important points. The most important thing is that what actually report is. Report is an official document, it is not unofficial. So it is an official document in which there is a problem or the identification of the problems. Many think tanks and many of the people used to give some opinions, give some decisions and give some recommendations to solve those problems, and then all the decisions being implemented by some other people, or sometimes they may write these problems and they present it in the form of some kind of a written document. So this is a report. It is a very shortest, comprehensive and definition of a report in a few possible words. It means that the report is basically an official document. It cannot be orally presented. It is used in the written communication. Report is basically consists of 3 basic things, as I told. Number 1 is problem, the study of the problem. If there will be problem, then there will be the opinions as well. There will be some kind of recommendations as well. And number 3 will be the decision will be taken and you will prepare a report on that. On the 28th of Ramzan Sharif, there was a very sad incident of the plane crash in Karachi, and recently their report is out. So although that is not a business report, so I just want to make it clear that report is not particularly the business or the market. There are so many informal types of the report. It may be investigative report, information report, budget report, character report, progress report, result report, behavior report, yearly report, character report, your monthly report, your subject report, patient report, blood group report, your cardiac beat like your heartbeat report, your kidney functioning report. So your attendance report, your ins and outs report. So it means that there are multiple reports, but each report has their own format, and sometimes many of the institute also use their own templates to make a report. Generally, if you will go with the Google or you will follow some other search engines, you may find so many templates of the report. But every report has its own significance and its own demand of writing report. So we will not follow those templates, but the simplest and the easiest templates as well to make your report more clear and concise, rather than designing or making it up like more attractive. Report should be more informative rather than making it more captivating. So this structure is very much important. I must say, this diagram I have prepared it for your ease, my dear students. Number 1 is report. This is a report. Report is further divided into 2, the formal and informal. The informal, as I mentioned, there are multiple types of the informal report. The formal report is further divided into special and the casual or non-special reports, and the special reports may be sometimes long and may be sometimes short. And when we discuss special long reports, these are the market report, and when we discuss the special short report, that is the business report. And the today topic which we will discuss is the business and market report. Business report is entirely different from the market report. It is of 1 or the 2 pages, and the language is used in a very simple present tense. You may use like I and we, like your thoughts and ideas can be used in the report writing. You cannot generalize while writing about the report. So what actually the business report is? So this is the business and this is the market. There are so many businesses being running in Pakistan, or you may say in Multan, even in the Punjab. So let's discuss about the computer business. Computer business is particular, a small thing, but when we discuss about the computer market, that will be on the larger scale. If you are running a business of the computer, and if I say you to make a report that how your business is growing, either is fluctuating or how is your business is running in during these pandemic days, so definitely you will be very much peculiar about your business. You will not deal with the cloth business who has a man who is running his business relating to the food, who have a food stall, or those who have an institute, but you will be more focused more on the computer, because your focus will be your computer business. The business report is of 1 or the 2 pages only, because it is sometimes we call memo, sometimes it is for the public notices or just for the information of the general public. So business report is being published, it is a public report. As I am telling you that it is the shortest report, it cannot exceed from 1 to 2 or more than the 2 pages, otherwise it is try to make it more concise and more comprehensive as well. While what is and what should be the format of the business report, let us discuss as well. The business report must consist of heading. Suppose this is the page on which you are going to have your report. So this is the heading or the topic of your business report. Okay. Then there will be the subheading, that on which aspect you are going to focus on. Then you will start with the journey, or the dear sir, or the ma'am, or your institute, or the institute to whom you are addressing. Then here start your report. Rather than salutations or the greetings, you instead of saying that how are you, these words will be eliminated. So you will start with the reference number, that with the reference number of 23/7, this report is being published for the public interest, because about the business of the computer or about the food stalls in the pandemic days, that how they are suffering, how the poor people are suffering. So this is kind of a report which is generally been published, and there are so many reports which are available in the Google as well. So this will be your report. It may carry or it may transfer to another page as well, and your report will be ended. There are 4 basic points of writing the business report. Number 1 is the letter of reference. You cannot write a business report without being referred, or without having a reference, or without having any you may say about having any letter of authority. If you would have an authority letter, then you would go into the market and you will search out and collect the data, otherwise you won't be allowed to collect the data. So this is the letter of reference, or the letter of authority letter is very much important. The number 2 is, in your business report you will first of all identify the problem, that what actually the problem people are facing in this pandemic days, why the businesses is not running, why their income is getting low and low. The third will be, you will give us some suggestions, you will forward some kind of recommendations, and third, the decision will be given and you can imply those decisions, that on the basis of this decision you can fulfill all the requirement of those people who are suffering during these low days. So this is a business report which is very simple, and you may write after taking an authority letter. Now moving to another report, which is the market report. Market report is comparative to business report, is a lengthy report. It is not based on 1 or the 2 pages, it is generally based on 25 to 50 to 100 or 200 pages, but now students, it depends upon your delimitation. As the market of the computer is having a different limitations as well, like it starts from Multan to Punjab, and Punjab to Pakistan, Pakistan to all around the globe. So, if you want to make a report around the globe, like where the computers are having more generations and how much they are getting the progress, and start making the comparative analysis of the highest and the lowest of and the more progressive and less progressive countries, then your report will take years and years, or maybe it will take your life as well. So, while writing a report on the market, you must delimitize first of all your content, that what will be your beat, what will be your area on which you are going to prepare a report, and what actually the problem is. As we discussed in the business, that the problem is regarding with the computer. So, let us discuss and let us continue with the computer as well. Then you discuss that how the 5G technology is having a good or the worst or the baddest effect on the lives of the people. So, this will be the report you are going to prepare. You will delimitize your study while applying that you will study the market report only in the Pakistan or in the Asia or particular in the South Asia. Although it will take years as well, then you must have some kind of a authority letter of transmitter, so that you may collect the data from the people as well, because without having an authority, without having any references, nobody will give you their personal data. So, one of the format of the market report is, number one, to have the letter of transmittal. As I am telling you, that transmittal is basically the security that you have a permission by the government of the Pakistan, or you have taken the permission from the authorities that you may work on this particular subject or particular topic, or to collect the data from the market. Number two is the reference letter. When you get the security checks and when you get some kind of authorities, you may get a reference letter as well in case of some emergency, in case of some insecurities. And then there comes the cover letter. As I told you that in the business letter, it is a kind of a memo, it is a kind of a simple paper you may write the business report, but in the market report there must be a particular cover letter. How it would be designed? Let me give you a very simple blueprint. Like, the cover letter may consist of the monogram of the company for which you are preparing your report, then there will be the topic of your market report, then there is the author name, and here comes the date on which this is going to be published or this is going to be publicized. Sometimes the reports are publicized, and sometimes the reports or the market reports are used to be prepared for taking in the record, so that next time when the report being prepared, so take the references from the previous reports as well. So, there will be the cover letter, and fourth will be the table of contents. As you know that the table of content means that which topic is available on which page. So, this is the table of content. The next pages will be covered or fill up with some other kind of information. Number one will be, there will be problem as well. The problem in the market will be identified. Then there will be some kind of suggestions. There will be some kinds of the opinions as well. Then they will move into the recommendations, that what kind of recommendations the author is being given. It is also important that while writing the market report, there must be 2 or 3 authors, like one person cannot cover the whole of market. So, the 2 or 3 persons are very much necessary to collect the data, arrange the data, assemble them, and prepare the comprehensive report. So, the co-authors are very important, sometimes 1, sometimes 2, or sometimes 5 or 10 people used to work on a single report. The last is the bibliography, and bibliography means that from where you are collecting data, what are the quotations from where you are getting, and last is the index. So, this is the format of writing a market report, and market report is also very important because it consumes and it saves time and it is used for the record, and it is used sometimes it is kept into the library, and sometimes it is used to give a reference for some kind of cases. Like recently, as I give you mention you that due to the plane crash, a report is being publicized, and some of the air traffic controller and sometimes the pilot is being alleged. So, this report is being publicized, and next time this report will be also taken as a reference. God forbids if another case happens. So, this is kind of the report, this is the importance of these reports. So there are many other reports like the student progress reports. Many of you familiar with your result card report, your progress, that how much progress you did in mathematics and English in your midterm, and what is your report in the final exam. Your blood group report, that what is your percentage of hemoglobin in your when you were of 16 years old, and what is the progress of your hemoglobin when you are of 20 years age. Then yearly report, market report, and their assessment report, that how much you are getting more and more enlightenment after getting admission in the Times Institute. So reports are of different types, and you may practice at your home, and with the passage of time we will practice this home by giving you the template as well and as your assignment task. So what should be the qualities of the good report? Qualities. Many of you will be familiar with the 7 C's. The 7 C's which we discussed as a part and for the effective communication, all those 7 C's must be the part of a good qualities of a good report. Number 1, it must be complete, it must be concise, it must be considerate, there must be courtesy in it, it must be grammatically correct, there must be no pompous vocabulary used, simple words must be used, but if it is about the economical depression, use some economical jargons. If it is about the medical profession, use the medical jargons. If the market report is about the computer, use the computer programs language. So every beat and every report has its own pros and the cons, and you must be very much careful while writing of the report, because report is very much important. So let me give you an example of a very simple business report. Suppose you are going to launch your own soap, and there are so many soap and surfs are available in the market. So why people should purchase your soap? Like there are so many other soaps. Let me give you an example, like the Dettol soap is available, Dove soap is available, Lux is available, the oldest one, the Lifebuoy is available, and you are going to produce your own soap. Let me give you an example like the Times soap. So why the people should purchase the Times soap? What should be the quality? So you will make an assessment into the market to develop your business. After assessment, you will understand that the people are because the other soaps are so much costly, like 150 or 200, but the Times soaps is available in 100 rupees. It is available in the small bar as well as the testing bar as well. It will be available in the remote area. So this type of the report to establish your business is said to be the business report. Suppose you are having your business, you are running your computer academy in one side, or like in the suppose in the Gulshan market, and now you want to establish into new Wabda town phase 1. So what you would do, you will first recce over in the Wabda town, either is there any other computer academy available, what is their charges, what kind of facilities they are providing to the students, and when after recce and after getting an assessment, you find out that they are although they are running an academy, but it is so much costly, the students are belong to some middle class family, they can't afford. So then you will start your institute in comparison to the already existing by giving the so bumper offers over there. So this is the this is the business report, that first of all you make the blueprint of your research, and then you will go out for start your own business. As far as the simple is the criteria with the market report, from the smaller to the larger scale when you move. So this is the market report. So this was the topic for today, and which we comprehensively discussed the business and the market report. Your topics for discussion, your topics for assignment will be provided to your CRGers and in your group. Do follow the video lectures, stay